Hey everyone, Tom here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 4 reasons why your leaf blower might be idling rough. For each problem, we'll provide links in the description to videos that will help walk you through the repair process. Now let's get this started. Stale fuel. If your leaf blower is sputtering or running rough, there could be stale fuel in the tank left over from last season. Empty the gas from the tank and replace it with fresh fuel. Air filters. A dirty or clogged air filter will not allow the engine to work properly. With too much fuel and not enough air, the engine will run rough. If the air filter is dirty, clean it or replace it. Spark plug. Inspect the spark plug for stubborn deposits, cracked porcelain, or electrodes that have been burned away. You can also use a spark plug tester to help determine if the plug is bad. Carburetor. A dirty or clogged carburetor can cause the engine to idle rough. Remove the carburetor and give it a thorough cleaning. Then inspect it for signs of damage or wear. Replace any worn components if necessary and then reinstall. Fuel lines. Over time, fuel lines can become cracked and brittle, causing gas to leak and in turn cause the engine to idle rough. Check the fuel lines for damage or wear and replace them if necessary. Fuel filters. If your leaf blower hasn't been running in months, your fuel filter could be dirty or clogged. Remove the fuel filter with a pair of needle nose pliers. Inspect it, then clean it or replace it. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our full repair videos for each of these problems in the description below, and if you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.